On a rainy night, Austin Shelby's home was peaceful until the storm joined the tune.
You two look like walking puddles. Did the rain chase you here? Or were you competing with the storm to see who made the biggest splash?
We forgot umbrellas. The rain one.
It's warm here.
Hey! It's like your roof's crying happy little tears, Austin, tonight.
I'm the puddle.
What do we do?
I know. We'll be the leak squad.
Best team. Leaks don't stand a chance. We're a band.
This one goes plink. It's the high note, the best sound in the whole house, like music from the rain itself.
Look who's strutting down the street, tail held high, looking oh so neat. Stylish glasses, backpack tight, Los Angeles, get ready tonight. Austin, Shelby, yeah, that's me. Coolest cat you'll ever see. Furry, funky, fancy free. Hollywood ain't ready for me. I talk, I walk,
When morning came, Austin's house stood proud, dry, bright, and full of laughter after the storm.
We fixed your house, made music, and turned the whole storm into fun.
And not a single drop on my tail this time. I call that victory.
Next storm, we charge admission. Snacks included for brave visitors.
You two are officially hired. Best leak stoppers, musicians, and storm tamers this town has ever seen.